Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're getting the Discord RTC connecting error when trying to join voice channels, don't worry. This usually happens due to network issues, firewall restrictions, or app settings. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your network is stable. Restart your router if necessary, and avoid VPNs or proxies that may interfere with Discord connections. Step 2. Restart Discord and your PC. Close Discord completely from Task Manager, then reopen it. Restarting your PC can also fix temporary glitches. Step 3. Run Discord as administrator. Right-click the Discord icon and select Run as Administrator. This ensures it has the required permissions to connect to voice servers. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. Discord can't connect properly through most VPNs or proxies. Disable them temporarily and try again. Step 5. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Ensure Discord is allowed through your firewall. Go to Control Panel, then Windows Defender Firewall, then allow an app, and make sure Discord is checked. Also, temporarily disable antivirus software to test. Step 6. Change server region. If the voice server has issues, right-click the voice channel, then edit channel, then change region. Choose a nearby server for better connectivity. Step 7. Clear Discord cache. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata% and delete the Discord folder. This removes corrupted cache files that can block RTC connections. Step 8. Update Discord and your network drivers. Make sure Discord is updated to the latest version. Also, update your network adapter drivers through Device Manager. Most RTC connecting errors happen because of network restrictions, VPN/proxy interference, or corrupted cache. Follow these steps, and your Discord voice channels should connect without errors. See you in the next guide.